Image generation. Image generation is a fascinating technology that allows computers to create realistic and artistic images from scratch or based on some input. To achieve this, image generation AI is trained on large data sets of images that are labeled with captions, keywords, or categories. The AI learns to associate the visual features of the images with the textual descriptions, and then uses this knowledge to generate new images that match the given input. There are different methods and architectures for image generation AI, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, variational autoencoders, VAEs, and transformers. GANs consist of two competing neural networks, a generator that tries to create realistic images, and a discriminator that tries to distinguish between real and fake images. The generator improves its output by trying to fool the discriminator, while the discriminator improves its accuracy by trying to catch the generator. VAEs are another type of neural network that can encode an image into a latent vector, and then decode it back into an image. The latent vector captures the essential features of the image and can be manipulated to generate variations of the original image. Transformers are a recent innovation in natural language processing that can also be applied to image generation. Transformers use attention mechanisms to learn the relationships between different parts of an input sequence, such as words or pixels. Transformers can generate images from text by encoding the text into a latent vector, and then decoding it into an image using attention. Attention mechanisms. Attention mechanisms are a way of focusing on the most relevant parts of the input data for a given task. They are widely used in transformers, which are neural network models that can process sequential data, such as text or images. Transformers use attention mechanisms to learn the relationships between different positions of a sequence and to encode and decode the input and output sequences. One application of transformers with attention mechanisms is image generation from text, which is the task of creating realistic images that match a given text description. For example, given the text "a cat sitting on a sofa," the model should generate an image of a cat on a sofa. To do this, transformers use self-attention mechanisms, which allow the model to attend to different parts of the text and the image simultaneously. Self-attention helps the model to extract relevant information from the entire text and to align the generated image with the text attention. This way, the model can produce more coherent and accurate images that reflect the text content. Applications of image generation. Some popular apps that provide image generation services are FaceApp, Prisma, and ArtBreeder. These apps let users transform their photos into different styles, ages, genders, or even species. Image generation has many practical and industrial applications, such as medical imaging. Image generation models can help doctors diagnose diseases, plan surgeries, or visualize organs and tissues. Entertainment. Image generation models can create realistic and diverse characters, backgrounds, and effects for movies, games, and animations. Education. Image generation models can help students learn about different topics by generating illustrations, diagrams, or simulations. Design. Image generation models can help designers create logos, icons, posters, or mock-ups for their projects. Marketing. Image generation models can help marketers generate catchy and personalized ads, banners, or flyers for their products or services. Ethical issues. Image generation is a powerful and creative technology that has the potential to revolutionize many fields and industries. However, it also poses some ethical and social challenges, such as distribution of harmful content. AI image generation can be used to create false or misleading images, such as deepfakes, that can spread disinformation, propaganda, or hate speech. These images can have negative impacts on public opinion, democracy, and human rights. Copyright and legal exposure. AI image generation relies on large amounts of data to train the models, which may contain copyrighted or intellectual property protected content. Using these data without proper permission or attribution can infringe on the rights of the original creators or owners. Data privacy violations. The data used to train the AI image generation models may also contain sensitive or personal information, such as names, faces, or biometric data. This data can be exposed or misused by malicious actors, violating the privacy and security of the individuals involved. Therefore, AI image generation requires ethical awareness and responsibility from both the developers and the users of this technology. Some possible ways to address these ethical issues are implementing quality control and moderation. AI image generation systems should have mechanisms to ensure the quality and accuracy of the generated images, as well as to detect and remove harmful or offensive content. Human oversight and intervention should also be involved to verify and correct the outputs. Respecting copyrights and intellectual property rights, AI image generation systems should respect the rights of the original creators or owners of the data used to train the models. This can be done by obtaining proper licenses or permissions, giving appropriate credits or citations, and avoiding plagiarism or infringement. Protecting data privacy and security, AI image generation systems should protect the privacy and security of the data used to train the models. This can be done by anonymizing or encrypting the data, limiting the access and sharing of the data, and complying with relevant laws and regulations. Therefore, image generation technology should be used responsibly and with caution, and users should always verify the source and authenticity of the images they encounter online.